my god, I lost 10,000 rupees. What's this? I lost another 10,000 rupees on this investment. Should I quit? This investment has cost me a lot. No, I think I should invest more. Maybe this will give me profits in my future. I'll invest another 10,000 rupees on this investment.
So this is a situation we all must have faced in our lives in some or the other way, where we tend to invest more and more into something which is not proving beneficial, but we still invest just because we have already invested a lot into it. This is known as the sunk cost fallacy. So hello friends, this is SNR show, and today I'll be discussing about this problem and how you can avoid this trap. First, let's look at some situations where this problem affects our day-to-day decisions. Consider yourself preparing for a competitive examination held once every year, which you can attempt a maximum of 6 times. You are determined to crack the exam and preparing with full confidence. Unfortunately, you fail in the first attempt. You thought to improve on your next attempt and went for it. Unfortunately, you failed in the second attempt also. You again tried to improve on yourself, but eventually you failed in the third and even in the fourth attempts. You thought that this was the best attempt you could give, so maybe you should quit and not go for the remaining 2 attempts. But there is a very high chance that you will use up another 2 years and maybe not succeed. Maybe if you use that time into something else, some other productive work, you could succeed in it. Suppose you bought a movie ticket for a very thrilling movie, but on the day of the movie, you were supposed to watch it, it started raining heavily and the movie theater is a long way from your home. At the same time, suppose your friend offers you a free ticket to a cricket match, which is being held at a stadium close by. Even if you love cricket more than movies, there is a very high chance that you will go for the movie, even though it's raining, just because you have paid for it. Sometimes we tend to stick to a relationship that has not been working just because we have already spent a lot of time and effort into it. This way, we are eventually hurting each other and disturbing our mental peace. The sunk cost occurs mainly due to 2 reasons. The first is the commitment bias. When we have previously invested in a choice, we are likely to feel guilty or regretful if we do not follow through. So we continue to support our past decisions even though it may not be the best thing to do. The second reason is loss aversion. We humans try to avoid losses rather than considering the gains. So we feel that if we quit a loss-making investment, we consider it as a failure. So how to avoid this trap? We need to consider the relevant costs while making a decision. The relevant costs include the present and the future costs which are still in our control. The sunk cost is something we cannot recover, so it must not at all be a part of our decision-making process. Secondly, we must keep our emotions away while making important decisions. So we are humans and we tend to be emotional. So you can consult someone, in this case whom you consider wise in giving advice while making such decisions. This way you can avoid the sunk cost fallacy to some extent. Now since you have watched this video, I hope you'll be careful next time you encounter such a situation. If you like the video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.